Here are some of the best programming languages for cybersecurity that can really boost your skills. So first we have Python. Python is one of the most popular languages in cybersecurity. It's easy to learn and incredibly powerful. Python is great for creating automation scripts, penetration testing, and data analysis. Many cybersecurity tools and libraries are built using Python. Next, C is an essential language for understanding how systems and networks work at the low level. It's used in exploiting vulnerabilities and is critical for tasks like buffer overflow attacks or building security tools that interact with system hardware. Third, JavaScript. JavaScript is important for web security. Since many attacks happen through websites, knowing JavaScript allows you to understand how web applications work and identify vulnerabilities like cross-site scripting, XSS, or SQL injection attacks. SQL is another must-know language in cybersecurity. Many security breaches happen through databases, and understanding SQL helps you prevent attacks like SQL injection, where malicious code is injected into databases. Lastly, Bash scripting is important for working with Linux systems. Bash is used for writing shell scripts that automate tasks such as network scanning and system administration, which are common tasks in cybersecurity. So by learning these languages, you're going to be well on your way to building a strong foundation in cybersecurity and being prepared for your various security challenges. Leave me a like. Love ya.